Hi everyone and welcome to NechEmpire, and in this short video tutorial I will teach you a simple trick I use to change the colors in the photos in Canva, and I'm sure that once you learn this trick you will start using it too. So let's start by uploading a photo where you want to change a color. For this video I will use an image of a soft drink on a table with a brick wall in the background. Once you have selected the image, click on the Edit option in the Editing toolbar. Now, in the left sidebar, select the Adjust option. This action will open a multiple adjustment options you can use to improving or changing colors on the image. So, scroll down until you see the color section, and here under the color edit, select a color you want to change. Let's start by changing the color of the drink. I select the brown color, and by adjusting the hue slider, I change the drink's color to green. It's that simple. In the next step, select the second color, such as the color of the bricks on the wall, and change it. So, by moving the hue slider, I'm changing it to a blue color. As you can see, editing a single or multiple colors in picture is simple with the new adjustment features in Canva. It is a simple yet powerful trick that you can use to improve your photos. So, I hope you found this simple and quick tutorial helpful, and if you want, give the video a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel to get more videos about Canva and graphic design.